Hello guys, so I'm here in Hobby Lobby today. I wanted to come in here and see what nice things that they have to offer for the fall or whatever. Hello guys, so I'm here in Hobby Lobby looking to see what they have to offer today. If you're a returning member, hello sis, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share, comment, like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get alerts each and every time I upload. I want to thank you for stopping by my channel again today, and I hope to see you again real soon. Alright guys, so I'm in Hobby Lobby and I'm just going down this aisle here, and I am so mesmerized by all of the faux plants they have and flowers they have in here. Look at these beautiful orange flowers here, and they have these at the top here, and they're actually having a 50% off their floral stems. So if you're looking to decorate, make any type of flower arrangements, this would definitely be the place. Check out these beauties right here. These are so pretty. Alright, you see, look at the turquoise ones here. Also these here, but they have a large selection of their stem plants here. Very nice. Check out these red ones here. Okay, so I don't think I want to look at anything else in the store except the flowers here, but look at these pretty black and like a gold, not a gold, but I'm sorry, a purplish color. Those are really pretty. And they have some of the ones with the little pumpkins on those. Those are very nice. These right here. Everything just pops out at you when you walk into the store. But I am just so mesmerized by everything. I want to buy everything in the store here. Okay, so I see that they have a huge selection of their floral arrangements, their wreaths, garlands. Everything is 40% off here. But look at this pretty one right here, this table top. This will go great on maybe a mantle or a centerpiece for a table. Look at this one here in the middle. The original prices of these range in between $49.99 to $59.99, but as I stated, they have this 40% off. But these are very pretty. Look at this one here. It has the pumpkins, things like that. And here's a smaller one here with inside of a glass. Nice. Alright, so pretty much everything in this store is pretty much 40 to 50% off. I see that they have a lot of the wall hangers here, the door hangers here. There's the one with the truck. These are very pretty. That one right there says give thanks. This one right here with the little acorns on them, that one is $7.99. I see the welcome signs down here. They were going for $24.99. This one up here says gather, which is very pretty. And they have the signs here that says welcome, gather. And they have these right here, which are very pretty. It says happy fall welcome. More wall signs, outdoor signs. These right here, the welcome signs. Pretty much everything in here is nice, guys, so do not skip on Hobby Lobby. And they also have some candles up here at the top, which I'm gonna see if I can find those there. But here's another like a door. You can stick this on your, maybe on your doorknob in the front, but that's very nice. Alright, so I see that they have a huge selection on their table runners here in different colors. They mostly have a lot of fall colors out, but that is very pretty right there. I see this one here, which is very pretty. But they have them all in different colors. And I also see that they have different colors, green, orange, like a burgundy plates. And they have cups here. The cups are $9.99. And I see that they have these plates here. Blessed, grateful, thankful. They have a lot of plates here with the leaves on them. They have these right here. napkin holders, and they are going for $3.99. And they also have them in the flowers as well, where you can stick your napkins on the inside. But those are very nice. They're going for $2.99. Also, they have these right here, these colors, and they have these right here, which are napkin holders. More fall decor that says gather on them. I see these nice pumpkins here. This is a brown one, and this is here is a gray one here. And I see this one here, which is very pretty. This one, they also have this one right here, which is very nice. You can actually put this on a holiday tree. Let's see what the price of that one is. I don't actually see a price on it, but that is very nice. Also, they have the bigger pumpkins down here. They have this one right here that says welcome. This one right here that has the gold bottom, the glitter. And they also have this one right here, which is very pretty. And these here at the bottom here, which are very nice. Everything is nice in here, guys. As I stated, I wish I can buy everything in here right now because fall is my favorite time of the year. Very nice. Alright, so I'm looking at all the pumpkins that they have here. I see that they have the orange pumpkins here. These are going for $4.99. They have these ones right here, which are very pretty. It has the little leaves on them, and they're going for $5.99. I also see these bigger ones right here for $13.99, which are very nice. They have this big orange one here. They also have this green one, different color pumpkins, but they are very nice, guys. Look at those. Alright, so I see that they have the leaf decoration. They have these here, and they are going for $5.99, which is a 40% off. They have the LED lights where you can put these on your wreath when you make these and hang them on the door. They have the fall ornaments, more pumpkins. They even have the velvet pumpkins here that are on the stick, and they're going for $6.99. They have them in burgundy, green, and orange. They also have this blue one here. Very nice. Alright, so I see that they started to put out the Halloween stuff, but they haven't completely put everything out yet. But I don't want to get into that because I don't want to make it Halloween already. I see that they have this one right here. It's a trick-or-treat sign. And they also have this one right here, a door you can stick on your door that says boo. Alright guys, so I think I went down the wrong aisle because they have Christmas stuff out already as well. As I stated, I don't want to get into too much of everything, but look at these trees. These are absolutely beautiful, and they're ranging from $3.99, $2.99, $499, and they have so many ornaments. I mean, it's just unreal. I mean, to come into this store to see all these things that they have out now already for the Christmas holidays. Oh wow, very pretty. Look at this right here, guys. That is so pretty. You know where I will be during Christmas holidays, here in Hobby Lobby. Look at this right here. Alright, so I need to get away from this section here, but I just wanted to come down and let you guys see the Christmas stuff that they have out already. All right, so I see that they have more decoration. They have Bless Our Farm. That's a really little nice picture here to put on a table. They have these pumpkins here that says Give Thanks. Here's one in white, and they have the bigger ones right here. Look at this little truck here. It's really pretty, and they have a blue one here. And these are going for $13.99, and of course 40% off of everything. And look at these little pretty birds here. Aren't those cute, guys? They have a turquoise one, they have a yellow one, and they have an orange one, but these are going for $5.99. Very pretty. And they have the bigger pumpkins as well at the bottom here. They have a huge selection on their pillows here. This one here says Grateful, and the price of it is $24.99. This one here says Thankful and Blessed. They have these ones at the top here that says Gather, Harvest, and these at the bottom here that has pumpkins on them for $25.99. And they also have these right here that says Happy Harvest with the trucks on them, and the ones with the pumpkins and the little bird. But of course everything is 40% off. All right, so I'm over here in the different wall signs and things of that nature, but I see that they have a lot of little wall signs with or tabletop signs where you can put on your table or on your desk. But this one says, in case no one told you, today you are a great teacher. This one right here is going for $4.99. You have this one right here, the influence of a good teacher can never be erased. Nursing is a work of heart. They have a lot of nice signs here for your desk or walls. Very nice. Alright guys, so I love things like this. Maybe on your vanity in your bedroom or in your bathroom. But look at these little nice perfume bottles here where you can put your perfume on the inside. They all range in different prices. This one right here is the one that you squeeze. They also have the table or your desk decoration here. Home decor, things of that nature. They also have the boxes here with your initials on them. Would be great for your jewelry or things like that. You know, so see that they have the trinket dishes here. This one says Love. This one has the little eyelashes. And they also have this one right here, along with the bigger ones at the bottom here. And they have the smaller little trinket dishes right here that you can open up and put things on the inside. It would be great for like a gift to give to someone, maybe a wedding ring or something like that. These are very nice. Alright guys, so I think I've seen everything that I wanted to see here in Hobby Lobby. There's just too much to see in here and too many nice things in here to look at. But I do want to thank you for stopping by my channel again today. I hope to see you again real soon. Isn't that cute right there? It says, don't wake the bear. Very cute. This one says, welcome to my crib. But all of the wall decor is 50% off. It's very nice there. Animals of the woodlands. This one right here says, find your wild. Very cute. But again, guys, thank you for stopping by my channel, and I hope to see you again real soon. Bye, guys. Okay, I'm going. Okay.